We have a situation with babysitting. Althea is babysitting for her neighbors. She charges $5 an hour if there's only one child in that family, but for every extra child, she charges $2 per child. How much will Althea earn if she babysits two children for 3 hours? Many students would solve this problem using method 1. They would think first of only the first child in the family. $5 an hour at 3 hours is a total of $15. And then think about the second child, which is $2 an hour at 3 hours, for a total of $6, making the total earnings $21 for that babysitting job. An algebraic expression which would model what these students use for a solution might be the quantity 5 times 3 representing the first child, the quantity 2 times 3 representing the second child, add them together for the $21. Other students, however, might use another method. They might think of an hourly rate for both children, meaning that the first child is 5, the second one is $2 for a total hourly rate of $7. The number of hours babysat is 3, so 7 times 3 is 21. Now we can model these students' mathematical thinking using this algebraic expression. Quantity of 5 plus 2 represents the hourly rate for these babysitting two children times 3 hours. Now, since we know already they both come out to be $21, they're equal, what we can do is set the two expressions equal to one another. And we have the first expression for method 1, where the student might be thinking about the first child, second child, set equal to an expression which thinks of the total hourly rate as being $7 times 3. And using the order of operations, we work inside of the parentheses, doing these multiplications first, finally adding 15 plus 6 to get 21. On the right side of the equals, using the order of operations, we would work here and add 5 plus 2 to get 7, 7 times 3, also 21. What we have here is a very good example of the distributive property, which is used in algebra to multiply a quantity inside parentheses by a single number outside the parentheses. We would say that this number, in this case the number 3, is distributed or given out or distributed across the numbers in the quantity. For instance, the 3 is first multiplied by 2, and we can see that happening here. Next, the number 3 would be distributed and multiplied by 5, which we would see in this set of parentheses here.